If you're hearing this, you're not here by accident. The moment your soul pressed play on this message, the universe marked you for reception. You may think this is just a video, just another piece of audio drifting through the endless river of content. But this is not just sound. This is frequency. This is timing. This is activation. For the next 2 minutes, don't just hear, receive. This is the moment you've secretly been asking for. That hidden prayer between your thoughts, that whisper in your heart at 2 a.m. when you wonder how much longer you can hold on. The money, the miracle, the moment. It's closer than you think. And now, it's arriving. You've been feeling it, haven't you? The itch for change, the sudden need for silence, the repeating numbers, the dreams that feel too vivid to ignore, the gentle pull to be somewhere else, do something else, become someone else. That's not anxiety. That's the universe preparing to shift you, to move you into position for a financial awakening you didn't see coming. You weren't meant to struggle endlessly. You weren't designed to fear every payment, every transaction. You were created with a natural abundance code, but like most souls on this planet, that code was buried under programming, under guilt, under unworthiness. But right now, just by listening, you're unlocking it. Close your eyes, inhale, exhale, again, slower. Feel your own energy start to settle. Let my words melt into your subconscious because what comes next is a message from your future self. The one who already has the money, the home, the peace, the freedom. Are you ready? Let's begin. Money will appear out of nowhere because I am finally ready to receive without resistance. I am no longer chasing, I am attracting. I am no longer doubting, I am knowing. I am no longer blocked, I am open. I am open, I am open. Each time you hear those words, something rewires inside you, and the universe listens in real time. Because the universe does not respond to desperation, it responds to certainty. And for the next 2 minutes, you are going to become the most certain version of yourself. Not the you who worries, not the you who settles, but the you who already knows. Money is already on its way. Let's talk about that strange moment when money just shows up. Someone pays you back. You receive an unexpected refund. A job you didn't apply for appears. An old client returns. You win something out of the blue. You're gifted something you once only imagined. It's not random. It's the physical effect of a spiritual shift. You don't see the energetic preparation behind it. You don't see the quantum threads rearranging in your favor. But they are. And they're responding to the level of belief you allow into your system right now. So allow it. For the next few minutes, let go of how. Let go of timelines. Let go of needing to figure it out. Instead, just receive. Receive the truth. You are the source. You are the magnet. You are the permission slip that money has been waiting on. Your worth is not in question, only your readiness. And by pressing play, you've declared yourself ready. Now feel what readiness really feels like. Not anxious, not rushed, but calm, clear, and charged. You are aligned with wealth now. And money doesn't just respond to effort, it responds to energy. Let's get practical. Right now, 3 invisible forces are at work in your life. First, numerological alignment. Seeing 1111, 222, 333, or any repeating sequence is a code. 1111 especially opens financial portals tied to cosmic shifts. It means your manifestation window is open. Second is celestial momentum. The stars this week, especially the full moon in Capricorn and Venus entering Virgo, are supporting financial breakthroughs tied to karma, stability, and self-worth. If you've been planting energetic seeds, now is when they sprout. And third, the divine permission. Most people subconsciously reject money. You don't even realize it, but through guilt, fear, or stories inherited from others, you block what's yours. Today, you're reversing that by simply listening, by simply being, by letting this vibration enter and stay. Here's what to do after this. Tonight, write your name on a small piece of paper. Beneath it, write, I now accept wealth from all directions. I am no longer the block. Place it under your pillow, and before sleeping, whisper this. I give permission for money to surprise me. I give permission for peace to replace fear. I give permission for ease to enter my bank account. This is not superstition. This is frequency management. You're signaling your energetic field to open instead of defend. Let's go even deeper. Your subconscious mind is like a gate. It only allows in what it recognizes as normal. If your childhood taught you that money is hard, your subconscious will reject easy money, even if it's knocking at your door. That's why repetition works. That's why listening matters, because every time you hear these words, you normalize abundance, and every time you normalize it, the gate opens a little more, until one day, money just appears, and you'll say, that was so random. But it wasn't. It was built on moments like this. You've been chosen for ease now, not because you begged, but because you finally aligned. And if you still feel any doubt in your body, say this. It is not my job to figure out how. It is only my job to stay aligned. My energy does the attracting. My trust does the unlocking, and my rest does the receiving. Let go. Let it come. Let it shock you. I want you to imagine this now. You open your email, a new payment has arrived. You check your bank account, it's higher than you expected. You walk into a store and they tell you, this is free today. You receive a call. You've been selected. You feel calm, not surprised, just confirmed. Because deep down, you already knew. You've been magnetizing this all along. So now, as this 2-minute activation expands beyond its clock, repeat one last time with me. Money will appear out of nowhere, because I'm no longer in the way. I am open. I am chosen. I am ready. It is done. And it is. If this message made your chest feel lighter, your breath slower, your heart more open, then you've already shifted. Comment below, money is already looking for me. Say it, feel it, type it, anchor it. Like this video to affirm your alignment. Subscribe to Cosmic Vibes for daily transmissions because this portal isn't closing anytime soon. And remember, this isn't the end, it's the beginning of the flow. The shift has already started. The next time money appears from nowhere, you'll smile and say, I knew it was coming. And before we close, let me remind you of something powerful. The version of you that already has the life you desire, the wealth, the comfort, the joy, that version exists now. Not in some faraway future, but in a parallel field, vibrating just one decision away. Each time you choose alignment over anxiety, stillness over struggle, trust over tension, you collapse the gap between your current life and your miracle timeline. So the next time you feel doubt creeping in, ask yourself, is this the energy of the version of me who already has it? If not, pause, breathe, choose again, because every breath is a chance to reset your magnet. And today, you became magnetic. Money doesn't need permission, it needs resonance. And now you have it. Let this echo inside you long after this video ends. You were never waiting on money. Money was waiting on you.